I love it though, I do. And whenever I bring anyone round, it's like, this is my favourite machine.
But why?
When you're watching it and it's machining the front and the back, and you can do so many things all in one go.
Adnet Precision are based in Gloucester and they are doing something very right. They've expanded into a new business, they're investing in brand new machine tools, and they've brought on 4 new engineers just this year. Caroline, what's your secret?
We machine precision components, high-end, good quality, complex parts for many industries, and we've invested in lots of machinery to make that happen.
You absolutely have, and this business has been going 35 years now. So you invested recently in a Nakamura machine. Tell me the story here, because there's another one across the road that's, you bought 10 years ago.
Yes, so we've had that unit over the road for 20 years, full to the brim of machines, and then we found that we needed new space. So we've invested in new space, and now we've managed to expand on that machine and get a new one, so to work alongside that one.
And so why did you go for this machine?
To support our workload. Our workload got enormous, so on the same products, and this helped us really push forward to get more work in.
So you clearly have confidence in Nakamura as a brand then from ETG?
Yes, definitely. The machine, the other machine we've had for 10 years, we had it serviced not long ago, and they said it's pretty much like it was brand new. So
oh, really?
They last really well, and well looked after, and yeah, they're really solid machines.
So you've had a machine, obviously, that you found that was extremely reliable, and you've gone, we need that again. Why did you go for the same model?
Just because we knew we had the capacity, we had that work already coming in. So we were actually on 19 weeks of work on that one machine. It was just an easy choice to go in for another one.
And service and training and support, what would you say that you've got from that? Because that's another thing. You can have a great machine, but you also need that backup, don't you?
Definitely, yeah. ETG have been amazing. And they have done all the service. There's been a few teething problems, but when they've come in and they've solved them, and they've been really communicative with everything that's going on, good plans in place, and yeah, good training methods as well.
And Caroline, where do you see the business going? Because floor space is obviously a concern to you, not now, but that was a big factor when you're making a decision on a new machine.
Yes, definitely. So having this new area it just gives us so many more opportunities. We've already got 2 new machines in here, but there's space for probably another 6 if we need it. So the future's bright, really. Not sure what direction we'll go next, but there's definitely so many opportunities.
Can I ask you as well, because as a female business owner, which we don't see as often in this industry, but how are you growing this business? What are you finding that's happening where you're doing so well, and it is a challenging time at the present moment. Yep. So what is almost the secret? What's going on behind the scenes?
I honestly think I've got an amazing team. I can't compliment them enough. I've got brilliant engineers. They work together so well. And I think it's still small enough. There's a lot of communication, and we still have that, we can go over to talk to someone on a daily basis if we need to. There's a friendly feel as well. There's still that family feel that's involved as well, as it was my dad's business.
Would you say that's what is unique about your business then? And what do you feel like your customers get from you that's different?
I think they get a good level of customer service. So, things do go wrong at the end of the day. So we will always be on the phone, let them know what's happening, keep them informed regularly. I think that's what's working for our customers.
And then in turn, why invest in certain machines? What's the main driver behind a machine tool purchase for you?
What does make it easier is where we're lacking skilled people. When the machines can do more things in one go, and you've got a good programmer, it means you don't need so many people. So going a bit more automated, that is definitely helping going forward.
When I asked Martin off camera before, he said this machine is just reliable, and the tolerances that it hits is unbelievable time and time again. So do you think a machine that's reliable is really, really important, and why?
I think a machine is unfortunately more reliable than a person sometimes. So you do have that opportunity that, you press that button, it's going to repeat the same product. Obviously there's still human intervention, but that these really good machines like this one, where it holds those tolerances, you've got that repeatability.
And what does the future hold for Adnet then? Where are you going? What's next level? What's your goals?
I don't know. I've thought that far ahead. I've got to stop spending money, I know that much. Yeah, there's a lot to think about. So there's still so many options. We're looking to buy some manual equipment. We're looking for some extra deburring equipment. So there's constant investments. I think we'll put a hold on machine tools just for the time being, but there's other things in the background, quality equipment, things like that. So
would you say it's, slow growth is the key?
I think so, yeah. Obviously, it being my dad's business, he was always very steady in his growth, but 35 years later, it's going strong, so something worked.
Oh, good luck.
Thank you.